Learn to create a zip or tar archive of a particular directory in Python using two different methods with the help of illustrative examples. Creating zip or tar archive in Python. Two different methods to create archives in Python are explained and illustrated below with the help of example code snippets. You can choose any one of the following as per your basic requirements and customizations required. Method 1. Using showtil module. The easiest way to create a zip or tar archive for a given directory containing any number of files and subdirectories is to use a Python module named showtil. You just have to follow the two given steps to create an archive with it. 1. Import the showtil module in your Python code. 2. Make use of its makeArchive method to actually create the archive file. The makeArchive method takes three different arguments. The first argument has to be the name of the output archive file as a string. The second argument specifies whether you want to build a zip archive or tar archive. And at last, the third argument specifies the path of the directory that you want to archive. Hashtag example. Zipping a given folder or directory. In the following code snippet, we're zipping a given directory named documents, including all of its contents, files and subdirectories, using the showtil module. Please observe the code carefully. If required, kindly pause the video for the same. Note: in the first argument, while specifying the name of the archive file, you need not explicitly specify the extension like .zip with the name. The above code creates a zip file in the current directory. I executed the above Python code on my desktop directory and hence the zip file is also created on my desktop. The output of the above code also specifies the full path of the created zip file. Please observe the code carefully. If required, kindly pause the video for the same. Method 2. Using zip file or tar file modules. In case you do not want to simply put all of the directory files in the archive and want to do the things like skipping some files and adding files to your archive following some conditions, then you can make use of the zip file module. Please observe the code carefully. If required, kindly pause the video for the same. Running the above Python code will loop through the documents directory files one by one and will add them to the zip archive documents.zip. Note: no subdirectories will be added to the archive using the above code. Similarly, using the tar file module, you can also create tar archives easily. I hope you found this guide useful. If so, do share it with others who are willing to learn Python and other programming languages. If you have any questions related to this article, feel free to ask us in the comments section. And do not forget to subscribe to WT Matter.